So I don't know if y'all noticed already, depending on how I'm finna get these videos up out of here, but I just finished my very first PC build, bro. And I really wanna dive into it and get my shit cracking, ready to go, game, edit, do all type of stuff. But building a PC, bro, is low-key stressful, fam. Like, I promise you, watching all like the YouTube videos, that really looks easier than what it really is. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, it's doable. You could do it. Would I want to do it again? I probably would. But as far as like building the PC, I felt like I was the Hulk, bro, when I was trying to put these pieces in there. My hands felt too strong. I felt like I was gonna break something, but I did it. Now I got one project set. Oh, let me show y'all the PC first of all. Let me move, because I'm telling you, I ain't got no space in here, bro. I'm ready to set my stuff up. Here's the PC. As you can see, this is my PC. It does turn on. Let me prove that to y'all. Oh, it didn't turn on. Oh, hold on. I got scared a little bit. It's now plugged in. Give me 2 seconds. All right, I'm back now. Now, let me show y'all that it does work. Bro, what the fuck? Oh, rookie mistake. There we go. So, as you can see, PC does work. That unicorn puke is going on there. I don't want that unicorn puke, so that will change. So now, what I'm about to do is get this room back together, because look at it. My room is a pigsty, and I gotta set this setup all the way back up. So all right, we back, bruh. And I ain't gonna lie, it's probably been about a good 1.5 to almost 2 weeks since y'all seen that previous clip of my room being destroyed. But I just needed a little time to get my shit situated. I had to clean the room up, obviously. I had to set the PC up, which I did. As you can see, that fairy fart RGB is gone, bro. No disrespect to anybody who like that enchanted vomit glow light. That just ain't my thing. But as you can see, I did go ahead and switch that out a little bit more of my style, man. I think that's dope, bro. Let me bring y'all a little closer. I think it's dope. Look at it. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Like, hey, can y'all let me go ahead and brighten this up a little bit so y'all can see the full of it. Oh, that's darker. Here we go. Here we go. What y'all think? Is y'all feeling that? All right, I had to go ahead and turn my lights up a little bit, but can y'all see that, bro? Let me get about the screen. Can y'all see? Look at that. Look at this beauty. That is a beauty. This right here is a beauty, bro. I did that. I love it, man. I love it, bro. Like, I will give y'all like a nice what the hell do they call it? Cinematic kind of things, but we ain't gonna do all that, you know what I'm saying? As y'all can see, my PC is in full effect working. Got my lights in there. You can see it on the screen. Got my little monitor, but I'm gonna do a full setup video soon, you know what I'm saying? Just to show y'all what my stuff looking like now that I got the PC. But what I want to talk to y'all about right now is ranking my experience building a PC, bro. I'm gonna say a 7.5 out of 10 for the simple fact I was nervous as shit during it. And as y'all know, I already f***ed up one motherboard. So when I got my new motherboard and I got the building, I was nervous as hell, bro. So ranking my experience, I say a 7.5 out of 10. Is it doable? Yes, it is doable. What I would suggest for first time builders is to take y'all time and be careful, bro. Like me, as y'all know, some of y'all know that I built like this room myself. So I'm like good with my hands. But when I say my hands, I'm talking about like drywall, like, you know, all that manly stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm good with that type of stuff. When it came to building a PC, I felt like the Incredible Hulk, bro. It's like every piece that I was touching, I felt like it was gonna snap. Now, mind you, the most stressful part of the PC build, I would have to say, is that CPU. Like, getting that CPU in there, because it's like the most important part of the build. I was just like, damn, that had me like sweating bullets, but I did it. You know what I'm saying? I got it in there. I got it done, you know? So I was geeked about that. But yeah, as an overall whole, man, I don't know about building a PC. I literally know nothing. I watched tons of YouTube videos to figure it out, and when it came to building, I did it. So it's definitely doable. So if y'all is out there like, dang, I want to build my PC, but I'm not sure if I can do it, you can do it. I promise you, you can. I mean, this light is blinding me, bro. Anyway, but when it comes to building your own PC, first timers, it's definitely doable. You know what I'm saying? Like, I did that, bro. And I know nothing. When I say nothing, I know nothing about building a PC, bro. If it wasn't for YouTube, I probably wouldn't even have done it, but it's done, man. This is basically just a video pretty much proving the fact that I built my shit and I got it done, you know what I'm saying? But I will do like a deep dive, because I really ain't been able to like do anything. I played like 10 minutes of Red Dead Redemption, which was a little weird with that keyboard and mouse, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, bro, it's definitely doable. It wasn't like, if I had to build another PC again, I think it would be faster. I think it would be, I wouldn't be as nervous because I know what to expect now. So I'm telling you, hey, you first time PC builders, bro, don't worry, just do it. Just be careful, take your time. You don't have to be strong. I know it's gonna feel strong, like, bro, like plugging in my like a little RGB fan and my lights and all that shit on the motherboard, bro. I promise you. I was like, bro, if I be too strong, then it's a wrap. You know, when you tightening up on the screwdriver, I'm talking about use only fingertip strength, bro. So I'm saying, I ain't gonna lie though, I was tightening down the motherboard into the case, and I swear I over tightened one low key, bro. I heard like a little small crack in it, but nothing messed up. But yeah, bro, I got the GPU in there real good. It was a little sketchy at first because I plugged it in there, and then the little GPU holder, I pushed that bad boy up. I couldn't, when I booted it up, I didn't get no like GPU, it wasn't powering on, bro. And then like it's like 3 little warning lights back on there. So it was like a green one, a white one, and a yellow one. The white one and the green one was on. So I had to Google what the white light meant, and it was meant that the GPU wasn't reading. So I said, fuck, I got a messed up GPU. But it wasn't. I guess I just had it pushed up too high because I pulled it out, pushed it back in, and I just barely put that on there, just literally hold the GPU in place, the little GPU stand. But yeah, man, other than that, bro, I promise you, bro, it is not that bad. And I promise you, like, this is coming from the heart, bro. Like, if I can build a PC, y'all can build a PC, bro. I promise you, it's really not as bad as what you think. Damn, I wish I could show y'all my cable management. I might have some pictures actually, because I was sending pictures to my friends. I might got some pictures of my cable. Yeah, I might got some pictures of my cable management. If I do, I'm gonna put them somewhere in this video. But my overall experience for building a PC for the first time, 7.5. Why 7.5? Because of being nervous. Was it hard? Not really. It wasn't hard. It's pretty much self-explanatory if you read and take your time. Can't rush the shit though. But if you read, take your time, you first time PC builders, it's gonna be a breeze. Like, I feel like I'm pro, bro. Go ahead and give me another PC, bro. I'm about to go ahead and give me that 5090, my dog. I'm lying. I'm not getting a 5090. That's way out of my budget. Maybe if I blow up or some shit, I'll get a 5090. But yeah, man. So yeah, that's just my experience building the PC. It is done. So give me a week or two. Let me play with this bad boy, get some games in there, edit some videos, and I'm gonna edit this video with that. So let me get all that situated, and I'm gonna come back, and then I'm gonna give like my full PC review. You feel what I'm saying? So if you want to see that review, you need to go ahead and subscribe to your boy, please. You feel what I'm saying? No, f that. I'm not finna beg nobody to subscribe. If you want to see the review from me, then subscribe. If not, it is what it is. Move on to the next video. Yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Holla!